Welcome to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to sell crypto in Binance. So let's start. Open your Binance app, and once you're in, navigate to the trade section at the bottom of your screen. From there, select this under the convert option. Now choose sell crypto from the available services. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell BNB, choose BNB from the list. Now decide on the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell a percentage of your balance, like 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Once you've selected the amount, proceed to sell by tapping on the sell button. You will then be directed to a page where you can review details about the transaction, including where you want to receive the money. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.